Okay, continuing with Allied turn 4. Let's see, let's roll for any wind. Nope. Rallies. Oh, I need to fix something from earlier. So for this Petrov, when he was broken, I rolled Snake Eyes, and I thought he went berserk, but he didn't go berserk because Snake Eyes on a leader self-rally is results in just a regular rally. So neither of these guys are berserk. And what I need to do is, well, you know what? Um, I rolled a task check for the 458 and made him go berserk based on that. He would have rallied. Would he have rallied? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let me. He would have rallied. He would have rallied. I'm pretty sure. That's what I'm going to go with. Okay, rally phase. Let's see what we have. I'm going to turn on the light. Oh, the light is on. So this guy's going to try a self rally. Nope. He doesn't lose his DM because there's a guy next to him. On the German side, the 8-1 is going to try and rally the half squad. Needs an 8. Gets it. Okay. The half squad's going to attempt to pick up the MG. Gets it. Okay, this guy in the trench is going to attempt to pick up the MG. Gets it. Anything else? I don't think so. Okay, prep fire. So what are we going to do here? So the issue is I need to get these guys into the building over here. And this guy's going to get smoked if he doesn't get his ass out of here. Okay, so do I have any prep? Hmm. I might not have any prep. I think I might just go to movement, but maybe not. Oh, the anti-tank gun will fire at the lower part of this building. It's an 8 to hit, -2 for acquisition. Oh, that should be a -2. So 8 to hit, +3 for the building, -2 for acquisition. So needs a 7. Gets it, no rate. 45L is going to be a 4. 7 on a 4 is a PTC. So these guys on the lower level need to do a task check. Pinned, both pinned. Good job. Both pinned. That actually helped quite a bit. Okay. All right. Do I have any other prep fire? Um, yeah, I mean, this guy's going to fire an 8 up 2 against there. 9 on an 8 is a PTC. He passes, but it's a sniper. No sniper. Okay, now I'm going to go to movement. All right, so Petrov, what is he going to do? All right, he's going to go. He's going to try and loop around here and get over this way. He's going to go there for 2, into the shell holes for 2. Does he need? No, he doesn't need to go into the shell holes. Nobody can see him. There for 3, into the shell holes for 5, and that's it. Actually, let me. Yeah. Okay, so I reset the movement so I know what the heck is going. Oh wait, did I? This guy keeps his DM. This guy keeps his DM. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot to prep fire this guy. I'm gonna prep this guy. 8 up 3. Nothing. Okay. All right. Okay, so this guy loses his CX. He's going to salt move there for 2. This guy will take a shot at him. That's going to be a 16 up 1. Yikes. 4 on a 16. That's not good. It's a K3. And he keeps rate. All right. Morale check. He breaks. Okay, this guy kept rate. So I'll do first fire, support weapon. And his covered arc is pointed this way. I got to find that counter. I don't know where that counter is. I'll look for that in a bit. Okay, so that didn't work out so well. These guys lose their CX. He's going to go there for 1. Wonder if this guy could see him, or this guy here. Yeah. Okay, this guy's going to try and fire his MG at him for a 4 down 2 if he has line of sight. Yes, he does. 4 down 2. 6 on a 4 is a normal. He's pinned. Okay. And he kept rate. Oh, wait. Rate goes down by 1. Let me check this. I need to check if rate goes down by 1 if it's a captured weapon. Okay, so rate of fire does go down by 1 which means that he doesn't get rate, but leaves a resid of 2. Okay, so he's first fired. Okay, these guys will go here for 2 into the shell holes. Okay, the question is, does Schwab want to fire at them? Does he have line of sight? Yeah, he does. So he's going to fire 1, 2, 3, 4. He's going to fire the HMG for a 6. Up 1 for the shell holes. -1 for non-assault movement. -2 for leader. So 6 down 2. Wow, that's brutal. Let's string it. Yep, he's got it. 6 down 2. Five on a 6. No rate. That's a 1 check. Okay. 1 check. It's an 8. He breaks, but doesn't ELR, I don't think. Okay, and that leaves a 2 residual. Okay, just fired the support weapon. And Schwab directed him. Okay, this guy is going to go here, bypass there for 1, 2, 3. Only gets 3 because he's a conscript. Petrov already moved. These guys lose their CX. They got to get over here somehow. What's the best way to get there? I think by going this way. Okay, so they're going to go here for 3. And these guys are going to actually, they might not have line of sight. I think they do. Oh no, wait, it's going down the hex spine. So it's going to be blocked by I-40. So they don't have line of sight. Okay, there for 3. There for, I'm going to go here for 4. Here for 5, 6 into the shell holes. And now I'm going to fire the MMG for a 4. Okay, they get +1 for the shell holes, -1 for non-assault movement. 4 even. cowers. 4 on a 2 is a 1 check. Okay, so they're finaled. Okay, leader. Pinned. Squad. Passes but sniper. Bottom squad. Pinned. Okay, sniper. German sniper. Nope. Okay, I think I moved everybody. Let's go to defensive fire. All right. Who can these guys see? Okay. So first of all, this guy's going to final fire against him. So that's going to be, he's not going to use the MG. Or he has to use the, I think you have to use the MG if you final fire. Let me see. A8.4. 4. Okay, I don't think you have to use the MG. I think that's just final protective fire. So it's going to be a 4 up 3. 7 on a 4 is a pin task check. Okay. Okay, he's fine. Flip that to final. Okay. That guy, I forgot to take off the pin, so I'm getting rid of that. Okay, so there's CX'd. So it'd be a 6, 9, 8 up 2, +1 for the shell hole, +1 for the CX. Or no, they should fire here. 8, that would be 8 up 4 though. What they should do is they should fire next door. That's going to be 9, 18, 16 up 4. 11 on a 16 is a PTC. They're fine. This guy's final fired. Can this guy see anyone? Let's see. Yeah, he can see these hexes. He can see this hex. Is that going to be sniper bait though? 4 up 3. Yeah, he's going to do it. 4 up 3. Okay, he's finaled. Schwab over here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So because Schwab used his directed fire for the MG, can he apply the -2 to the 4, 4, 6, 8 in, I need to check this. Hang tight. Okay, I couldn't get a clear answer as to whether I can apply, where's my mouse? Whether I can apply Schwab's -2 DRM to the fire of the 4, 6, 8 given that he had fired his support weapon. It seems that I can, but I'm not certain. I'm going to say that I can, and I'm probably going to post something to the Discord to see if I can get clarity. Okay, so then he's going to fire his 4 firepower against Petrov, which is in range, which is going to be a 4 down 1 because they have shell hole +1, leader -2. So 4 down 1. 6 on a 4 is a normal. So he's finaled. Petrov pinned. 4, 5, 8 passed. Okay. Didn't make too big of a difference. Okay. Let's see. These guys need to decide what to do. So I think they can do a fire. They're going to do a fire group against that hex. So it's going to be 10 at the top, 4 at the bottom. No. Yeah, 5.5. So 15.5. They're not going to fire the MG. So that's going to be 10, 14, 12, up 3. 12 on a 12 is a miss. Okay, they're going to be final fired. All right, so now advanced fire phase. Let's get rid of the defensive fire markers. These guys get a fire back. Leader's pinned. So let's see. 4 plus 2 divided by 3 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 1. So it's going to be a 4 up 3 to there. Nope. Okay. Okay, these guys will do, let's see. These guys will do a 2 up 2 against them. Okay, they're advance fired. These guys don't really have a shot at anyone. I think that's it. Okay, route phase. Okay, so let's get rid of the residual. And get rid of the prep too. Okay. So these guys are going to route there for 2. This guy is going to route to this building. So he's going to go there for 3, 5. This guy needs to route over here. That's the closest. So he's going to go there for 2 shell holes, 4. Okay. This guy needs to route up there. And advance phase. Okay. This guy's going to advance in there. These guys are pinned. They can't advance. This guy will advance in there for 2. Advance in there for 3. Advance in there for 2. Pin, 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 pinned. Okay, no close combat. Okay, so that's the end of Allied Turn 4. Thanks for watching.